Looking for an easy way to keep your laptop, tablet, or smartphone spotless? This double-sided cleaning tool offers a simple solution that works deep to remove fingerprints, smudges, dust, and dirt from your devices. It's designed for everyday use, making your screens and keyboards look fresh and clean without any hassle. What sets this tool apart is its microfiber pad on one side, which gently wipes away fingerprints and smudges without scratching your screen. On the other side, a soft brush sweeps away dust and debris from keyboards and tight spots. It's a perfect combo for maintaining your tech's appearance and functionality. The retractable brush and protective storage cover keep both ends safe when not in use. That means no mess in your bag or on your desk, and the tool stays ready for whenever you need it. It's compact and portable, so you can carry it between work and home without any extra bulk. Users love how easy it is to handle. One customer shared that they bought a second one just to keep at their work desk and home because it's so handy for daily dusting. The packaging also stands out, simple to open and remove the tool, making the whole experience smooth from the start. Another reviewer praised how well the tool cleans deep into keyboard crevices, removing crumbs and dust that typical wipes miss. It's gentle enough for sensitive screens but effective enough to tackle stubborn dirt. That balance makes it a reliable choice for anyone who wants their devices to stay in top shape. If you're tired of smudgy screens and dusty keyboards slowing you down, this tool is worth a look. It's soft, easy to use, and designed specifically for tech cleaning. Whether you're at home or in the office, it keeps your devices looking neat and working better. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine. With this double-sided tool, you get a practical way to protect your gadgets and keep them clean every day. It's a small investment that makes a noticeable difference in how your devices look and feel. Don't settle for less when it comes to your tech care. This cleaning tool combines convenience, effectiveness, and portability in one package. Keep one handy, and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, clearer screen and keyboard wherever you go.